Hey guys! We're going camping and we're going to take everyone along. Where are we?
Found it. It's here and we're over there. Okay, I know which way we're going.
Okay. This is our campground. It's pretty spacious actually. We did it! Okay, we set up camp and it looks so good. I'll give you guys a tour. Our picnic table, tent, hammock, and camper. It's actually huge. Like, there's so much space. I'm right at the edge of it. My car parked so nicely there. Fire, and like, there's so much space here for so many people. Perfect tree for the hammock. Our tent is on beautiful flat ground and right in the back corner. And then we had dinner, so our little canopies here. But we have like so much space in our campground. Campground's actually huge. But now we're just going to the bathroom before we start our campfire. We got the fire going. How are you feeling?
Good.
What do you want to say to the vlog?
Like and subscribe.
Good morning, everybody. We had our first night. How was it?
It's good.
Yeah, he slept on the ground though because his air mattress didn't work. But what are we doing now?
We're fishing.
Going fishing. We'll put everything in this bag in case we catch a fish. We biked out. And this is where we are. This is the campground. I think it's literally so beautiful. What do you think, Jared?
Beautiful.
Going to fish here. It's a little shallow, but I got my fishing gear in the back. And we're gonna fish. Are you gonna catch anything?
Of course.
My buoy just broke. Literally the second cast, I throw it out in the lake and I hit a tree. This boy is on a mission to catch fish. Okay, our first location of fishing wasn't a success.
No success.
So now we're just going through the woods to find another location to get some fish. Did you catch anything? No, we didn't catch anything. But better luck next time. This is our breakfast. Okay. The mosquitoes are really crazy here. Like Kieran's getting eaten alive. Ready? Cheers. Cheers. Drink. What did you do?
Kill the mosquitoes.
And then what?
Put them on the grill.
Every mosquito that he killed at breakfast, he put them on the grill. That's disgusting. The sun is finally out and shining. So, Kieran and I are gonna go on a walk. Here's my walk outfit. I got a little green hat, green sports bra, green shorts, and then I'm gonna bring my rain jacket in case it rains. Can you show us what you're wearing? Okay, show us what you're wearing. Cute. Here you go, Ducky wants some Shein. Where's your shirt from?
I don't know.
And the hat is from Shein too.
We got one hat, nice down.
Which one?
It's far. Right here.
Probably can bike
Right here. No, can you really take both trails right here?
No, you just back here and just go on.
Shit. Holy shit.
Oh. Go. Ooh, almost found it.
Yeah. I wanted to go. Yeah.
Kieran found a spot where we can go fishing later. You think we could fish here?
Beauty. Yeah.
For sure. Yeah. Our hike begins. Yeah. Okay, we've made it to, I think, like there's the visitor center and then the gift shop there.
Could you swim with me from here to the rocks?
What? No. You know how far that is?
You wouldn't do that?
Maybe. But it'd be far. It's so far. Oh, I see something. Oh, you can see their hands. Look. Okay, for lunch, we got some hot dogs and then craft dinner. And I forgot a spoon and a drainer. So we're just gonna use my cheese grater as that. And what's Kieran doing, you ask? let's go see. What you did?
You scared me.
Boy's chillaxing in that hammock. Okay guys, so normally Kieran does the cooking in the relationship because what is that? Why does my hot dog look like that? Alrighty. We got lunch cooked up. We got craft dinner and hot dogs. Kieran's still going after the bugs.
Oh yeah.
Cheers. Mmm.
Scrumptious.
Okay, we're on another adventure. We're going biking. We don't know where, but we're just biking. Okay, go. Woo!
Yo.
Whoa! Damn! I'm in a hammock. He's gonna start grilling up the hamburgers. I don't know. What are you making for dinner? Burgers? Alright guys, we got our dinners. Cheeseburgers. Karen got a double cheeseburger. Cheers! Hot!
Is yours?
Yeah, it's hot. Is it good? Hot. This is our next fishing spot. We think it's perfect. Like there's lily pads, nice calm water. Hopefully we catch something. Okay guys, I have found a dead fish. I'm gonna try to hook my dead fish onto my hook. This is the dead fish in question. I don't want to touch it, so I'm literally just I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna catch it, and then bring it to Kieran and be like, I caught a fish. Does that look realistic? Kieran, I caught one! Look! Kieran! 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 I caught one! Look!
Dang, is it dead? You hooked the dead one. That's gross.
Tried to catch the sunset. Didn't really catch it, but still something. It's not really a sunset. Not a very good one. Ready? 3, 2.
I kinda got green and blue.
Ooh, I got all the colors. We have like all the glow sticks in here. It's our last fire, and we don't know what to do with the glow sticks, right? Ooh, do you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. It's like shooting across.
Oh yeah. So it's our second morning here. I'm packing up the room, and Kieran is making us breakfast, and then we're gonna go kayaking or SUP to the little rock. Good morning, vlog.
Good morning.
Okay, this is our breakfast. Kieran cooked us up some egg and bacon, and he has scrambled eggs on his too. Cheers. Mmm. Oh, yeah. You want a nap too?
Yes, please. Walk off.
Maybe.
Holy fucking mosquitoes. It's like 5. Fuck off. Got bit again.
Kieran's allergic to mosquitoes.
I'm not. They just come for me.
Yeah, we just attack him.
Hello? Hello?
Okay guys, we have our little SUPs. We got our bathing suits on and we're ready to go. I found my waterproof camera, so I'm bringing you guys in a plastic bag and in my fanny pack. So hopefully, like, you guys don't sink to the bottom of the lake. But anything to say?
I'm gonna push her in.
No, he's not. If he does, then he's not getting driven back home. Okay. Woo. Okay, we have made it to the hike point. Kieran almost took an absolute tumble. Show them your little boo-boo. Kieran literally, like, you explain what you did.
A tree took me out.
Yeah, he was trying to like dock his thing, and he like had to grab onto the tree, and hold on. But now we're just hiking up and going on a little hike. Oh, hello. Pretty. The little lookout point. Ooh. What do you think of it?
It's cool.
Okay, the hike continues. We are, I don't know, how long do you think this trail is? Like
45 an hour.
45 an hour-ish to walk it. And we got some rocky terrains. There are lots of hills.
I ran slides.
Yeah, we're literally wearing slides. Like, yeah, we probably should wear running shoes, but we were on the water, so we didn't. We're paddleboarding. I'm just sitting on mine because I had to get my phone out. But look how gorgeous this water is. Kieran, how is it? Okay, we've stopped at some, we've just kind of paddled. We were all over there. We just paddled somewhere here. We're gonna try to fish out from here and see what we can catch, which I'm not sure if we will catch anything, but it's a good little spot. We're just gonna take a pause from paddling. Like, look at that, it's so pretty. And then it should look like this. Tacos in a bag. It just look like that. Take a fork. There you are, sir. Take your thing. Try it. Tacos in the bag. Pretty good, huh? I think it's fire.
Well, 7 out of 10, guys.
I think it's good. Yay! Yeah, we're going under it too. Woo! Super cool. Alright, Kieran is up there. This is the water. He climbed all the way up there. And he's gonna try to jump off of here. It's not that high, but like it's a trek to get there, so hopefully he doesn't hurt himself. Oh! Did that hurt?
What?
Did that hurt?
No.
How was it?
It was good. I'm going again, though.
Okay. Woo!
That was painful, I think. Loud.
Three.
Don't overfeed.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yay!
That's scary. Okay guys, we just got caught by the police. But I'm so glad that I did it, but this is really dumb fun. How was it?
It's good. I'd rate it a 6.5 out of 10.
Was it scary?
Not really.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna bring our things back over there and then probably head home. We're putting the paddle or the fishing rods back. We have the SUPs going. How was your SUP experience?
It was fun. It was good. 8 hours, well, 6 hours of hard work.
Yep. Yay!